Good afternoon to all of you. I am roll number 12, Dr. Kelkar Gautam Dasharat, Assistant Professor, Department of Geography, Jamkhed Mahavidyalaya, Jamkhed, District Ahmednagar. Here I am presenting a seminar on the topic of noise pollution. What is the noise pollutions? If you see in this picture, if you listen noise in less or minimum volumes, it is very good for to the listening. But if you listening loudly, that time it is a noisy or to the pollutant. So we discuss on this topic for the next. Before we starting the noise pollutions, we are understanding what is the pollutions and pollution types. Basically, the term pollutions refers to any substance that negatively impacts the environment or organism that live within the affected environments is called as to pollutions. Second definitions, we any substance which can harmful to the environment or poisonous effects on living and non-living things is known as pollutions. And lastly, pollution is the introductions to substance or energy that cause advisory changes in the environmental living and non-living entities. It's called the pollutions. If you see the type of pollutions, there are major counting 4 pollution, but I am adding one new pollution is light pollutions. First we see air pollution, second water, soil, light pollution and noise pollution. This is the main types of the pollutions. Air pollutions, you see the air pollution pictures in our section. What is the air pollution? Air pollution can be defined as the presence of toxic chemical or components, include those of biological or organic in the air at the level that poses a health risk. It's called as to the air pollution. In case even broader sense, air pollution means the presence of chemicals or components in the air which are usually not present at the which lower the air quality of the air or causes detrimental changes to the quality of life, such as damages of the ozone layer or causing to the global warming. It's called as to the air pollution. Next is the water pollution. Water pollutants pollution occurs when harmful substance, often chemical or microorganism, contaminates water bodies. Which water bodies? Like river, oceans, etc. These water bodies degrade the water quality and rendering it toxic to humans or the environment, called as the water pollutions. Next is soil pollution, and same definitions we see. Soil pollution is defined as the presence of toxic chemical pollutants or contaminants in the soil in high enough concentrations to pose a risk to human health or ecosystem. In the case of contaminants, which is occur naturally in soil even when their levels are not high to pose a risk. Soil pollution still said occurs if the levels of contaminants in soil exceeds the levels that should be naturally be presented. Here I am introducing one latest light pollutions, especially refers to the large amount of light produced by the most urban and other heavy populated areas. Which heavy populated area? Just like metro cities, Bombay or Chicago, Hong Kong. This like is the metropolitan cities. They highly polluted. Light pollutions prevents citizen for to the scene featuring for the night sky and has also been shown to the implemented the migration patterns of birds and their activities in area. We discuss about noise pollution. Before we go to the noise pollution, we know about what is the noise. Sound, that which unwanted and disrupted one's quality of life is known as noise. Normal sound becomes undesirable when it is disturbed to our normal activities such as working, sleeping, and during conversation. Is called as to the noise. World Health Organization (WHO) is stated that noise human being recognized as a major threat to humans' well-being is called as to the noise. If we see the types of noise, there are two main types. One is, if you see, one is the, if you call external noise and internal noise. External noise, which is atmospheric noise. What is the atmospheric noise? In lightning, जिसे कहा जा सकता है कि बादल गरजना या जोर से बारिश गिरते समय बिजली कड़ाड़ना, it's called as the atmospheric noise. And secondly, extraterrestrial noise. What is the extraterrestrial noise? Any noise of the lands or over the lands. Industrial noise, we know very well all industrial zones and the noising develop. Man-made noise, like loudspeaker in any human-made activities during the functions. Internal noise, thermal noise, shoot noise, transit time noise, and the muscular noise. These are the internal noise types. Next, we discuss about the noise pollution. What is the noise pollution? Sound that's unwanted or that disrupted the activities or balance of human or animal's life. It's called as the noise pollution. When there is lot of noise in the environment, then it is terminated as a noise pollution. Otherwise, it's not a pollution. You see, I'm just creating this image, noise pollutions. I'm telling you for first or second slides what is the noise and noise pollution. Noise, if you listen in less than 80 dBs or to the less than 40-50 dBs, it is a very politely for to the listening. Otherwise, if you listen more than 70 or above 80 dBs, it is to starting to pollutions or very harmful to listening for to the ear or headaches. It's called as the noise pollution. Noise pollutions. Uh, Generally, noise pollutions defined as a regular exposure to elevated sounds level that may lead to advisory effect in human or uh, human levels that may be leads to adverse effect of humans or other living organisms. According to the World Health Organizations, WHO, here you see the sound level. What is the sound level? The sound level less than 70 dB. dB means decibel. It is a sound measuring instrument. Decibel are not damaging to living organisms regardless of how long to consist the exposure rate. It is important. Next, noise pollutions. Uh, if you expose more than if you expose for more than 8 hours to constant noise beyond 80 dB, which is the this is 180 dB, may be hazardous for to the listening. If you work for 8 hours daily in close proximity to busy on the road or highway, you are very likely exposed on the traffic noise pollutions around 85 dB. This is the noise pollutions. Noise pollutions typically refers to human made noise that are either very loud or disruptive in manners. This type of pollution has been shown to impact the movement of sea mammals such as dolphin and whales, also impacted the nest success of the birds area. This is the noise level meter. Here you see that 30 dB is leaving, resulting in the soft music. 40 dB, the average home noise in your daily activities in home is near about the 40 dB. 60 dB, normal conversation, background the music. 70 dB, office noise inside car at the 6 milli 6 mpth. 75 noise, it is the starting. If you more than 8 hours expose the 70 dB noise, we are the starting for to the pollutions. Vacuum cleaner, average, and radios. 80 to 90. It is the alarm system. If you expose 80 to 90 dB sound level, then with the starting or you are facing the sound pollutions. Heavy traffic, noisy restaurant, power lawn, main power lines, etc. Next, 90 to 95, you see here, subway, shouted or conversation. More than near about 100, 95 to 100 is a boombox, ATV or motorcycle sound. 100 to 105 decibel, it is the school dance sound. Next, 106 to 150 dB, chainsaws are to the snow and mobile sounds area. Next is sport crowded, 120 to 130, stock car racers, 130 dB, and more than is a gunshot, stun gun at 100 feet area. This is the sound level meter. Average decibel is called as the dB. If you expose more than 85 dB, is harmful or to the pollution was started. This we see in the points. Next, the noise pollution sources or to the causes of noise pollutions. Mainly, I'm classified, this is the 4 type of the causes of noise pollutions. If we will see household sources in the home areas or to the in the house areas, the household sources may be including home gadgets. Which home gadgets? Like for the food mixer, grinder, sorry, vacuum cleaner, washing machine, dryer, hair dryer, cooler, air conditioners can be heavy, noisy, and injurious to the health. These are one type of the home gadgets. They are also the main source of noise pollution for our homes area. This one. Second points including in home sources. Basically, others mainly includes loudspeaker of sound system. If you were boring, that time we are listens in loud music, or some people listen polite music or to the slow sound music. But slow sound music not harmful to the our humans. But if you listen loudly sounds systems or TV sound increasing, that time we create as the noise pollution. Next, another examples, your neighbor dog bowling, जिसे हम कह सकते हैं कि कुत्ते का भौंकना, ये भी एक प्रकार का नॉइज पोल्यूशन यहाँ पे क्रिएट कर सकता है, स्पेशली फॉर टू द नाइट टाइम्स. रात के समय पे हम जब सोते हैं तो कुत्तों का ज्यादा आवाज आता है या बाउलिंग से भौंकना कहा जाता है, वो भी एक प्रकार का नॉइज पोल्यूशन जो है, ये नॉइज पोल्यूशन यहाँ पे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं या देखा जा सकता है. अब सेकंड सोर्स देखते हैं नॉइज पोल्यूशन का, वो है सोशल इवेंट्स. प्लेस ऑफ प्लेस ऑफ वर्कशिप is a main cause of the sounds. Disco, gigs, practices, and other social events. They cause a sound pollutions. Also create a lot of noise for to the peoples to living the areas. Next is the market area. Social events including for to the market area, people with loudspeakers. They also slowly, if one or two people communication is not a pollution, but more than 2 or more than 10 and 100 people, if at a time speaking, that time pollutions are created. Next is, it is important to note that these events are not often, they can be called as nuisance rather than noise pollutions. शादी बारात का मौसम हो या कुछ इसके समय का भी हो, तो वो भी एक प्रकार का नॉइज पोल्यूशन जो है, ये नॉइज पोल्यूशन यहाँ पे माना जाता है या कहा जाता है. नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे commercial and industrial activities. What is the next reason or the main source of sound pollutions is a printing process. Manufacturing industries. These are the main sources of noise pollutions contributed to the large amount in or large cities area. Next, many industries in a requirement of the peoples always wear to earplugs to minimize their exposure to heavy noise. Noisy equipments is also dangerous or to creating fall to the noise pollutions. And last one is the transportations. If we see the transportation, aeroplane flying for our houses, over the houses, is creating the noise pollutions. Close to busy airports, if you live close to busy airports, that is the we're hearing or you suffering from to the noise pollution. Overground and underground what trains, vehicles, road vehicles, they continuously making a lot of noise. These are the main sources of the noise pollutions. After that, before we go into the effect of noise pollutions, I am give some types of vehicle and the noise level. Luxury buses create 77 decibel noise. Small passenger cars, 80 dB noise are created. Manufacturing passenger cars, around 85 dB is created. Sports car, above 90 dB sound was created. Motorcycle, 4-stroke, 94 dB sound was created. And motorcycle, 2-stroke, is near about 80 dB sound was created. This is the some types of vehicle they creating the sounds. Next, we discuss about the effect of noise pollutions. What is the effects of noise pollutions? There are mainly, I am classified 3 main effects of the noise pollution. First is environment, second is human, and third is animal. Let's we discuss one by one. Firstly, we discuss about the effects on environment. What is the sound pollution effects on the environment? If we continuously any animals or any environmental species exposed to the noise pollutions, it is the harmful for to the his development. Noise pollution has determined effects on the growth of plants as well as to the animals or to the any environment factor those exposed more than to the sound pollutions. We some examples are giving birds as well as really of hearing to help find them to prey. Hence, they are seriously disadvantaged by noise pollutions because the noise is breaking the earth barriers and it is could lead destruction of the world in about 2 or 3 years. Noise pollution causes poor quality of the crop in pleasant atmosphere. If you any crops area there is high loudly music continuously or noise pollution is high, that time the development of this crop is also disturbed. Next, we discuss the effects on human. Noise pollution is the reasons for causes of nervous disorder. Especially we see if we expose the noise, high noise, then we facing some problems, headache, high blood pressure, and short of memory. We also uh, we also talk about that short memory persons. Second, if a person or humans is continually exposing the high sounds, that type of the person like the goes the depressions and fatigues, which considerable reduce their efficiency of a person. If you are exposing to the noise, person automatically lost their efficiency. Next, frustration. If you go to high noise, you get feel like frustrated and difficulty to do concentration. Many people, if you work in high noise, that time you will not concentrate your own work. This is the one main effect. Disturbance to the rest. We are disturbing our rest area physically or mentally fatigues. Next, uh, chronic exposure also possible to the noise, maybe cause noise include hearing loss, deafness जिसे कहा जा सकता है. Hearing losses can be directly caused by the noise pollutions. Whether listening to the loud music in your headphones. If we see this is our headphones, most of the person or youth, today's youth, is using for to the this type of the headphones. If you put in here and listening the more loudly music on the headphone or bearing exposure to the loud drillings is also harmful for to the humans. Heavy air, heavy traffic, land traffic, it is also dangerous for to the human health. It kills your sleep. अगर आप देखा जाए ज्यादा नॉइज पोल्यूशन पे अगर आपने फेसिंग किया है तो आपको सोने में दिक्कत यहाँ पे आ सकती है. ये एक यहाँ का इसका ह्यूमंस पर ये इफेक्ट जो है ये इफेक्ट्स यहाँ पे देखा जा सकता है. नेक्स्ट इज स्ट्रेस. इफ यू focus, if you come with the noise pollution or to the you suffering for the long time of the loudness, that time we getting feel like stress. मन पे ज्यादा बर्डन आना या दबाव लगना ऐसा भी आपको यहाँ पे लग सकता है. नेक्स्ट इज द चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट्स. Children appear to be more sensitive to noise pollution, and number of the noise pollutions related diseases and DISE functions are known as to affect children for hearing impairments. Psychological dysfunctionings is also comes for to the sound effects. This is the one picture show to noise pollutions can hazardous to our health. Especially you see deafness, you see this part, here is coming forward to the deafness, tightness and connotations. Increasing heart attack, if you expose more pollution, it is a chance to increasing heart attack risk. Proper blood circulation is not possible if you facing the sound pollution. High blood pressure is also finding. Digesting problem we are creating. Next is nervous sleeping disorder, just I am speaking. Decreasing efficiency, learning, listening disabilities, learning disabilities, respiratory complaints, hormonal problems, they also comes to the area. Okay, this is the among humans effects. Next is animals. Noise pollutions damage the nervous system of animals. It is possible, yes. If any animals is live or any areas suffering for to the sounds, that time this nervous system back down. Increase the death by alerting the player, predator detections and avoidance. Animal lose their control of minds. This is a very danger effects for to the animals. Creates problem their use of the sounds in the reproduction and navigations. Much of animals or much of birds is depend on their navigation system on the sound. If they expose the sound pollution, they lost their navigation system or reproduction system. It is becomes dangerous and attacking. Many animals, if facing the noise pollution or to expose the maximum time to the noise, these mammals, animals become dangerous or attacking in nature. These problems or these effects we see on the animals. Next, noise pollution for ship engines and sonar system make us difficult to marine mammals. It is also affecting to the marine mammals like whales and dolphins, and prevents it from communication, feeding food and avoiding hazards. Excessive noise or the loudly noise has the ability to rise an animal's habitat speed and even harms an animal metabolisms. This is a effect. Next, it is a social and economical cost of noise. What is the social and economical cost? Especially the World Health Organization estimate that 1 out of 3 people in Europe is harmed by the traffic noise. More than the purely medical effects of noise pollution on the individual, there is a significant social and economic impacts. This is the social and economical cost of noise pollution. Since noise pollution leads to sleep disturbance, it is affect the individual works, performance during the day. It leads to be hypertension, cardiovascular diseases, any cost the health system additional time and money, and it is negatively affects school performance in the children. This is the major social and economical cost for to the noise pollution. What is the tips for avoiding noise pollution? In my point of the view, I am directly suggest some point where earplugs were exposed to elevated noise level. Next, maintain a level of around 35 dB in your bedroom at the night and around 40 dB in your housing during the day. If you possible, choose your residential area as far removed for the heavy traffic as you can. Next is avoid the prolonged use of headphones. Please, my suggestion is that we not use headphones in a long time, because it is a very dangerous for to our ear, especially as a elevated sound level. If you increasing sound more than mobile sound more than 7, it is harmful for to our ear. Is chance to be a deaf. अगर इसका इस्तेमाल आप मोबाइल में 7 के ऊपर भी अगर कर सकते हो, किया है आपने 7 पॉइंट के ऊपर से अगर वॉल्यूम बढ़ा दिया है, तो ये आपके कानों के लिए बहुत ही खतरनाक हो सकता है. इसकी वजह से आप यहाँ पे सुनने की क्षमता आपकी यहाँ पे कम हो सकती है. इफ पॉसिबल, अवॉइड जॉब्स विथ रेगुलर exposure to elevated sound level. Please avoid that the job, and we hear. Thank you very much.